Welcome to Leilani Electronics. I got this cool chip here. It's the Seal Lab SI4732. It's a digital radio receiver transmitter. With this chip, you can receive AM, FM, SW, which is shortwave, LW, which is, I think that's long wave. Right now, I got a station tuned in. 102.5 is a radio station here in Pittsburgh. I'm gonna restart the circuit and show you how it works. This is just my test circuit. I've been working on this circuit for a while now. Initially, I had a circuit built using a serial port, and for a couple months I couldn't get it to work. So I went on a couple forums. I came across this forum on Facebook, and the guy told me to use the I2C port, that the SPI port was not functioning. He contacted somebody at the company who makes this chip, and they said to use the I2C. So I used that, and it started working. So I was racking my brain for almost 2 months, with a couple chips, couple microchips, replacing stuff, doing this, checking different things. And as soon as I used the I2C port on the chip through my microchip, it started working. Okay, so let me just turn it up. And it gets pretty loud. I got a LM386 amp on here. Okay, I'll put a volume control on there. Okay, so when I restart the circuit, like I said, this is my test circuit. I'm still, this chip could do a lot. It's amazing. So I just wanted to get it up and working. Program a couple channels in there, and see what I got. Okay, so when I reboot it, it's going to go through. It's going to display the name of the chip. It's going to give the revision ID of that chip, and then it's going to search for a station. After it searches for a station and it picks up one, I program the seek function. You can either program it to seek or type in manually what station you want. So after it gets a channel, it's going to give you the station info, the signal strength, and the signal to noise. Right now I just have it output it on this display right here. So I'm going to restart it, and you'll see it cycle through, and when I seek for a channel, it's going to keep going through all the bands until it picks up one. I picked up about 4, so here we go. Okay, there's the revision, and that matches the data sheet. The revision ID is like 6 or 7 bits. Okay. Once it picks up a channel, it's going to give me that station ID, again the signal strength, the signal noise, and it's going to actually tell me on the readout. Okay, I'm in my garage, so let me do a seek. It didn't pick nothing up initially, so channel seek. Okay, there's your signal strength, which was 22. Okay, 90.6. Oh, it would help if I turned it up. Now again, it's kind of noisy because again, I just have a wire for the antenna input. There's different type of circuitries you can use to clean up the signal. Again, I got the chip. I wanted to make sure I could communicate with it. before I go through all the parameters. There's so much you could do with this. It's just an amazing chip. Okay, I hear something faintly, so let's just try another. Channel seek. Okay, there we go. We got a good signal. Okay, 94.5. Okay, we're going to do a seek again. Now, I'm guessing this is 102.5. This station comes in extremely well where I'm at in my garage at my test bench. Okay. Turn this down a bit. Okay, again, I'm going to do another video. Oh, that's 90.2. That's another good station. I'm going to do another video going into more detail about the chip and what it can do. So again, you can receive those 4 bands, and you can also transmit. It has a section in data sheet where you could transmit through the FM channel of it. So I haven't gotten that far yet, but I got my pick right here. I got my display drivers. I got my LM386, which is a 1 watt. Where's my crystal? Where's my crystal? It's in here somewhere. My power supply over here, and my speaker. Okay, we'll do one more seek, see if we can get another channel. I'm gonna put the schematic up again. The schematic is just going to be basic. It's just going to be this circuit right here, my test circuit. 88.4. That's not a good one. I never really get nothing on there. Okay. Okay. I'm going to pull up the schematic just to go over it real quick. Again, if you're using this chip, use the I2C port, not the serial port. The LM386 gives a good output, and it'll give you the signal strength, signal noise, station info. What else? The revision of the revision ID of the chip, and overall it's good. I'm going to play around with the AM. That requires a different antenna setup. So again, I just have a piece of wire going to the antenna input, just going across my garage, to get a good signal. Okay, let me get the schematic together. Okay, here's the schematic. There's my PIC 726. There's the SI4732. Here's your antenna, which is coupled through capacitor. There's the LM386, and here's your basic volume setup right here. You got a left and right output. Now you can have 2 amps, but I just decided to just for this example circuit, just to tie them into one. These are your display drivers, power supply, and again, this is a test circuit to get it up and working. Go through all the options. There's your seek, reset. Oh, one other thing. These displays are red green, so you could toggle between red or green. I just have it set up for green. I forgot to show that. But this is pretty much it. It's going to be up on the website, printed out. Once I'm done with the FM function, I'm going to post the program up, just so you could pop the chip in and just continue to scroll through all the channels on the FM. And then as I get the AM long range, short range options to work. I'll post videos as I go along. But again, this chip is really good. It's a digital radio chip. You can tune it. When I tuned it manually, you could tune it through the chip. You could tell it what channel to tune to. So you could just you could program the whole band in there. But I just use the C, just to scroll through there. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Again, go print out the schematic. Like the video, and I'll put the program up as soon as I make sure everything's fine-tuned and working. Thanks again.